What's the meaning of burrow? Burrow. Burrow.
Burrow. Burrow. Burrow is a verb that means to dig or tunnel into something, such as the ground or a pile of objects. The result of burrowing is the creation of a hole, tunnel, or passageway through the object that was dug into. Burrowing is often associated with animals such as rabbits or moles who create burrows in the ground to live in or store food. However, humans can also utilize burrowing techniques to create underground shelters or tunnels for various purposes. Overall, burrowing involves digging into something with a specific purpose in mind and creating a tangible result in the form of a hole or passageway.